Welcome to my YouTube channel guys, Dabs Cooking 81. To guys, gumawa na naman tayo ng panibagong drink, panibagong discover. Yan. For video guys, gagawa tayo ng watermelon drink. And guys, gagawa tayo ng ice. Tapos ito ay ginawa ko na to syrup guys, watermelon to. 100 ml na lemon, then 5 ml na lemon juice, then 10 ml na yuzu zero. And guys, ang ating drink. Tapos maglagay pa tayo ng, mayroon pa tayo ilalagay dyan guys. Lagyan natin ng soda water. Ay, ito. 50 ml na soda water guys. Tapos mag-add tayo ng ice. Yes. Ito na yung ating melon drink. Thank you for watching Dabs Cooking. Don't forget to like, comment, and share. Thank you guys. Bye. Melon drink. Melon drink. Nakuha to?
Ay, gaga, nadala pang kamo. Chocolate na foods.
Thank you for watching Dabs Cooking 81. Don't forget to like, comment, and share. Thank you guys. Bye.